go. Ian is going to be ripping her up on the pit. Oh, jeez, time to go, time to go. Oh, it's caught Ian off guard, too. Go, go, go. Boy, it would be great to have another 6 or 9 horsepower on this. Following up the pack, going to that pylon. Around. He's running in Woodsman here. Ooh, man, that's a pile up. Bit of banging bars. Supposed to run the pit bike race, but somebody who won't be named me advised him incorrectly. There was no pit bike race. And, oh my god, dude, this guy's a baller. Look, he has no legs. That's just one prosthetic. He's shredding it. I don't know who this guy is. Anybody knows? Give him a shout out. Put that in the comments, because that is awesome to be still ripping. Being on a double amputee. Ooh, around the corner. Oh, throwing that leg up there. Woo! Oh, there he goes, getting some air. Carving the turn. I am already pretty impressed. I guess throwing that MX-14 in the back of the pitter really helped him, because he's grabbing some good traction. You know, 110 doesn't have as much power, or a ton of power on tap to break her loose, but either way, that was still really slick. He is doing better than I did on a full-size bike. Oh man, oh, that ditch is rough. Those guys, give him a shout out. Oh yeah, they got the thumbs up going. Check him back, make sure he's not going to get passed by the pitter. This guy's having some troubles. Cruising along here. Ooh, oh no! Ian's down. Ian is down. Could not maintain the traction on that side grade. Oh no, no. Down again. Down again, man. That did not take long. He's having some troubles here. I will say, though, I am pretty impressed with how well he's handling these roots with the tiny tires. They kicked my butt on a full-size bike. I imagine these ruts and roots are not very... Oh, there we go, he's paddling. Yeah, that just illustrates my point. It's some difficult terrain on the pitter. Minimal ground clearance. I guess that guy was practicing his attack position. Paddle action there. You get some spectators cheering him on. I think I saw the camera guy. One of them, anyway. Ah, jeez. Here we got a jam up. See how Ian handles this. He's already making a rookie mistake. Hanging back and waiting. He should be picking his way up through. I guess at least taking a chance to readjust these here goggles. Get him off his wrist. It's always distracting for me. Here we go, we're underway. Little paddle action again. Oh, this dude's having some problems. Ah, man, Ian, you're letting him get around you. Shot through there. Oh, yeah. It doesn't matter. He didn't make it very far. A lot of waiting when you're back in the C-Class and Woodsman. Always, hey, that's Ed. There is Special Ed right in front of us. Oh, we're going to pass him. Oh, Ian is going to overtake him on the pitter. Man, he is picking his way through nice. Oh, no, don't get stuck. Oh. Bomber. Ian. Definitely don't want to be behind the guys all jammed up. They're not too motivated to move. Man, this guy's overheating like crazy. Look at that. We're only like 2 minutes into this race. dig, buddy. Alright, now we're rolling. We are going. Continue. Oh, God. Alright. Now we're back underway for reals this time. These trails are pretty nice. The moisture content was at times a little bit excessive, and the clay made it a little rough, but they were good trails. AWRCS crew did a good job setting it up. Definitely had quite a bit of technical like this stuff. These roots, I know they don't look like it on the video, but they were just gnarly. Absolutely brutal at times. Oh man, that rut is getting so deep. He has to be. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say he has got to be like dragging his foot pegs. There's no way he can keep his feet on the pegs in that deep of a rut. Come on, buddy, you got it. You got it. Get her up out of there. There we go. Onward and upward. What do we got here? Ah, a couple of Yamaha guys. Oh, hey, what year is yours? Oh, 2009? Cool, mine's a 2024. It's weird, they're like exactly the same bike. Cool. Come on, Ian, get around him. Let's get that Honda out and about. Yeah, there you go. Pass him on the bitter. I think Ian's starting to get a little played out through here. It seems like he is just frantically trying to avoid the hard lines. I can't say I blame him. We're on them tiny little tires, and his suspension is all stock. So these ruts and roots and rocks just got to be kicking the crap out of him. Trying to stay out of them ruts. That deep mud. Couldn't stay out of it forever. I think he's just pushing it at that point. Pivot. Get her up out of there. Oh, we're stuck. That was good. That was gonna be a sweet shot right through the tree opening. Come on, give her a shove. I don't know, you got any techniques for handling like this level of rooted nastiness? Leave in the comments. That is definitely, that and grapevines are my Achilles heel for sure. Man, a lot of guys eating it here. You can just see the look of defeat in that guy's eyes. He's like, ugh, made some poor choices. I was just being so polite. Oh my god, what was that? Are those the other bikes? They're so fast. Yeah, I'm that old. That's Talladega Nights I'm ripping off. Holy crap, look at that one. Is that a branch or a root? My god, that is enormous. Whoop! Catching some air. I know the camera doesn't do it justice, but he is not exaggerating. That is a gnarly downhill. I was a little sketched out going down it. There was like 4 guys at the top of it just staring, trying to get a figure on how they're going to get down from there. Another guy down. Tanking those roots. Awesome. I don't know, bud. That might be a little deep for the pitter. Yeah, it doesn't look much better. Pivoting. Looks like we're changing our mind here. Going around. I would love to have known while I was racing that this sideline was there, because I would blast him through that stupid mud hole every time, and it was terrible. A nice flowy trail. Oh, down again. So many roots. That was just an unbelievable amount of roots. And they were all wet. And angled. In different angles. Just terrible.
Trying.
You get run over, man.
We got 9 miles. Getting there. That is some significant overheating going on there. Best thing you can do when the engine gets that hot is just get moving. Stopping does nothing but exacerbate the problem. Oh, there he's down again. Them roots are just so nasty. They definitely pose a significant problem. They always catch you out of nowhere. Next thing you know, you're on the ground, looking the wrong way, asking yourself how in the world did I get here? Where did I go wrong in my life choices? It'll really just take you back to your days in college. It's really not that dissimilar. Oh, here we go. We got a straight stretch. We can get after with this pitter. Every single 6 or 9 horsepower pass is wide open. Man, this hits him hard. That suspension's not doing him any favor. Ow! Ooh, that hurts just to watch it. Alright, we're coming through for the finish. Well, guys, this is a new thing, doing this voiceover and stuff, a little bit of commentary. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments, and maybe we'll do it again. Till next time.